How to fix iPhone won't turn off. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. You can simply try the correct shutdown method, which is press and hold the side button and the volume button and then wait for the slide to power off screen, and once it appears, drag the slider to turn off the device. You can then go ahead and use settings to turn it off. So launch the settings application on your device and then tap on general and then scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for shutdown. So tap on the shutdown option you see there and then slide to power off. Next, you can simply try to force restart your iPhone as a simple force restart. So in order to force restart, simply press and release the volume up button and then press and quickly release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. And if your iPhone still does not shut down, then you can check for the stop button. So inspect the side button and the volume buttons and remove any bulky cases, and make sure the buttons move freely, and make sure to clean around the buttons if necessary, as a stuck button can prevent normal shutdown behavior. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on software update and make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the iPhone, as software bugs can sometimes interfere with power controls. See if that helps, and if not, then in settings again tap on accessibility and then tap on touch. Here, make sure to go ahead and tap on the assistive touch option and then enable assistive touch. Now, once you have enabled assistive touch, you will see this black icon on your iPhone. Tap on it and then tap on the device option and then tap on more. Here you will see the option for restart. That way too, you can lock your iPhone and shut down your iPhone. You can also tap on the back button you see there and you will see the option for a lock screen. So you can tap on it in order to lock your screen that way. So these were a few ways on how you can shut down your iPhone, and if that does not help in shutting down your iPhone too, then it simply could be the hardware damage. So if the side button does not respond at all, then the button itself may be damaged due to drops, water exposure, or wear and tear, and you might need to take your iPhone to a certified Apple center, support center, and you can then go ahead and ask them to fix your issue further. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone won't turn off. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.